Tuscany, a sun-warmed land of rolling hills, ancient olive groves, bountiful vineyards, and historic towns. Travel with us through this cultural heart of Italy. Treat your senses to the glorious Val d'Orcia, where cypress trees crown hilltops, robust wines tickle your palate, and golden fields touch the horizon. Relish the magic of Florence, a delightful menagerie of world-class art, ornate fountains, and romantic squares. Admire ancient relics at the Etruscan Academy. In Montepulciano, pause to observe Pulcinella count the hours atop the medieval clock tower, and relax in Siena's Piazza del Campo with a refreshing gelato treat. Sip an afternoon espresso in Cortona's Piazza della Repubblica, infused with the infectious rhythm of everyday life. And cap off each day bathed in the fiery glow of a Tuscan sunset witnessed from your hotel's terrace. Our Tuscan adventure is infused with la dolce vita. Throughout this incredible journey, you'll be in the care of a seasoned professional who manages every detail. Our travel directors deliver unparalleled personal service, and our guests consistently rave about them. Plus, our expert guides and local speakers open your eyes to the region's history and culture. The energy and passion of this top-notch team creates a truly extraordinary experience. And knowing that where you stay makes all the difference, we meticulously select every hotel for quality, location, value, and character. Best of all, you'll travel with a small group, sized just right for a more individual experience and filled with comfortable camaraderie and new friendships. But we also understand the thrill of crafting your own adventures. That's why we build free time and elective activities into many of our programs. Because we value our solo travelers, many of our trips are specially priced with no single supplement. Just listen to what recent travelers had to say.
AHI meets every need, has the best local experts, and almost everything is prepaid. We love traveling with AHI. They are truly superior to other travel companies.
Our signature itineraries introduce you to iconic cultural sites, natural landmarks, and hidden gems around the world. It's time to dust off your dreams and explore. Call now to reserve your place on this one-of-a-kind adventure.